Week number 3, Journal number 1. For week 3 of this course, the student is required to interview a speech-language pathologist and conduct a functional behavior assessment for an individual on the spectrum. Due to the COVID-19 situation and the shelter-in-place orders across the state, I am unable to complete the observation in person or via Zoom. I will be completing the modified version of the assignment, which is to select 4 videos of an individual that is engaging in different behaviors. I am going to select videos from Jason Love's YouTube channel. I have already watched some videos from the channel and gathered some information about the child with ASD. This child was diagnosed with ASD when he was 4 years old. He is currently 7 years old, so it will be interesting to observe this child from age 4 to age 7 and to see if there has been any changes in his behavior and communication and other ASD characteristics. Some potential problems that I plan to observe for the functional behavior assessments are difficult behaviors such as transitioning, meltdowns, and repetitive behaviors. I plan to take notes on what time of the child's daily schedule does the behavior happen, and what happens right before the behavior, and describe in great detail what the behavior looks like. What happens after the behavior? What does the student do after the behavior and the adults around him? The notes will help me to write a functional behavior assessment that can be used to provide support to the student. I am also going to complete the functional behavior assessment module from Affirm. This module will help me to understand in great detail what is a functional behavior assessment for and how it's going to support me when working with students with ASD.